Hey everyone, everything you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to fix this. If your Honda Pilot suddenly shows the message, Vehicle Stability Assist Problem, the first thing you need to know is that it doesn't mean the car is about to fall apart. Basically, the vehicle is telling you, hey, the system that helps keep me stable and prevents skidding isn't working the way it should. This system, known as VSA, controls braking and engine power when it detects wheel slip or loss of stability. Now that you know what VSA is, the logical question is, why did the warning come on? And this is where many mechanics are surprised, because in most cases, the problem isn't the stability system itself. It's something else making it get nervous. The VSA relies on many sensors and electronic modules, so if one of them sends strange data, the system shuts itself off and warns you. Following that logic, one of the most common and most ignored causes is the 12-volt battery. Yes, the regular battery, nothing futuristic. When it's weak or has unstable voltage, electronic modules start acting up one by one. Many mechanics report that simply replacing the battery made the message disappear like magic because the VSA started receiving stable power again. If the battery is fine, the next likely suspects are the wheel speed sensors or ABS sensors. These sensors tell the car how fast each wheel is spinning. If one is dirty, damaged, or sending incorrect data, the stability system doesn't know what to do and says, better shut down before I mess something up. That's why a bad ABS sensor can trigger a VSA warning even when the brakes feel normal. And speaking of sensors, here's something many people overlook: dirt. In several real-world cases, the issue was as simple as dust, mud, or even leaves blocking sensors or key areas. The car interprets that interference as a fault and disables the assist systems for safety. A basic cleaning has solved more headaches than you'd think. Now, if the VSA warning shows up along with messages like Hill Start Assist, ABS, or even a check engine light, that's not a coincidence. The Honda Pilot works as a team. When one system has a problem, others protect themselves. For example, an engine or emissions issue can cause the vehicle to disable VSA automatically, even though the original problem is somewhere else. In more complicated situations, some owners have found the real culprit was damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or a failing wiring harness. This happens more often than you'd expect, especially in older vehicles or ones exposed to extreme weather. When signals don't reach the modules correctly, the system assumes the worst and triggers the warning. Before spending money randomly, many mechanics recommend something simple. Reset the system by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. This clears temporary faults and forces all the modules to restart fresh. If the message doesn't come back, it was likely just a temporary communication glitch. And if after all that the warning is still there, then yes, the next logical step is a professional scan. A scan tool that reads ABS and VSA modules can tell you exactly which sensor, module, or circuit is causing the problem, helping you avoid replacing parts you don't actually need.